cracking the kettle again. Hey, what the? Whoa! Okay, this is creeping me out. Hello? Anyone home? Hello? Uh-oh. Hey, who are you? When they put an elevator in there?
Name's Special Agent Butch, and against better judgment, you're being recruited into a secret organization to help fight the spread of radical felinism.
Okay. Is somebody pulling my tail here?
This isn't a joke, Diggs.
Hey, how do you know my name?
I just came up out of the floor. Let's assume I'm smart enough to know your name. While you and your cop buddies are here chasing your tails, there's an elite team of dogs charged with the noble responsibility of protecting mankind. We want you to join that team. This is a one-time only offer, Diggs. I suggest you say yes.
It's tempting, but I can't just say yes to every offer that comes through that floor.
Kid, you already spent half your life locked up in this place. And there's a good chance you're gonna spend the rest of your life here, too. But the choice is yours. You can stay here and fight roaches over your kibble, or you can come with me and fight cats.
Fight cats? Why didn't you say so? Now move over, Rover. This dog's ready to... Oh, my dog!
I just vacuumed the seat, so try not to shed.
Oh, we're going really fast, aren't we? This is nice. This is really enjoyable. I'm enjoying this.
Sure you okay, big shot?
Fine. Good. No, not good. Yeah, I'm gonna bark.
This is Agent 3293. I've got the package. Careful now. New recruits sometimes get a little woozy after their first ride. Are you okay there, rookie?
Yeah, I'm good. Totally fine. I'm just gonna lay down here till the room stops spinning.
Let's go, Super Dog. The fun's just beginning.
Yeah, I think we have different definitions of fun.
Just wait. Now prepare yourself, kid. You're about to experience something no human and very few canines ever see.
Greetings, Agent Butch. Activate pause scan. Now.
Sweet! This is like Petco meets Vegas.
Today's seminar, harassment in the workplace. Doberman or not, do not pinch her.
Welcome to Dog HQ, the nexus of our whole operation.
Hey, Mike, you want to grab some lunch?
No, I don't like you, Carl.
We're the thin, furry line between humans and total chaos. Try and keep up, kid.
Hey, guys, what? I'm skateboarding!